Hello guys, today we're going to try to solve the Pyramax, the 2x2 cube, and the 3x3 as fast as we can. So yeah, we're going to start with the 2x2.
And we have a timer to see how fast he can do it.
So we're going to start with the 2x2, then head on to the Pyramax, then head on to the 3x3. Let's see which ones, how fast I can do them. So yeah, let's start with this.
Okay. He's examining it.
Okay.
Ready to start?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay. Ooh, that was
Done.
fast.
And it's a good 19 seconds and 23 milliseconds.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
That's done.
Okay, let's do the Pyramax.
Okay. Let's reset the timer, as you can see. Sure. Ooh, 18 seconds, that's not bad. Wait, what was the last one?
The last one?
19, right?
19 seconds, 23 milliseconds.
That was pretty slow though, not gonna lie.
Yeah.
Let's redo that at the last. You can shuffle that. Nah, shuffle. These are all shuffled cubes, Kim, not just staged. Okay, start. Reset the timer. And let's start. Let's make sure. It's weird.
Done.
That was slow.
That is 1 minute and 8 seconds with 53 milliseconds.
Okay, so you give me the newly shuffled cube. So yeah. Okay guys, that was around 1 minute and 8 seconds and 53 milliseconds. That was pretty slow compared to what I do. As you can see, he's shuffling right now. Yeah, just so that you guys know. The 2x2, I think I did pretty well. Not gonna lie.
Yeah.
3x3, I think I did slow. The Pyramax, I know I can definitely do better. Okay, because I've been practicing for the past, I don't know, 3 weeks. There you go.
Okay, so
My
the
newly
last
shuffled cube.
Pyramax seconds he did was 19 seconds. Let's see whether he can beat that.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Reset the timer. Let's go.
Okay, come on.
Not doing as good. Ooh, wait, 16, that was 16 seconds.
Yeah,
Replay that in slow-mo. We might replay that in slow-mo. It was 16 seconds. I double tapped. That was stupid of me.
Yeah.
But yeah, 16 seconds.
You solved it. It's at least a little better than 19.
Yeah.
Great job.
Yeah, so that's gonna end the video for today. If you guys liked it, make sure to like and yeah,
Subscribe.
see you there.